Hey.
Eja! Åh, eja efter!
Ja. Wow!
Ett T-bird! Åh, här är det ju! Åh...
Ow!
Hej!
Tu dyker på
Du bench vet du tror jag. Hoppa ut, och så får han smäcka dig under. Åh! Bränner det inte. Hallå!
Hej!
You're running, bro! Du tar en bombflask eller grej. And we're
Again, welcome to the Aperture Science Computer-Aided Enrichment Center. Today, you will be testing with a partner. Please wave to your partner.
hello.
Jag försöker vinka ifall att köra det.
The upcoming tests require you to work together as a team to facilitate collaboration. Both of you have been equipped with a ping tool. Blue, please use your ping tool to select your favorite animal. Good. Orange, please observe your partner's favorite animal. Good. Orange, please use your ping tool to select your favorite element from the periodic table.
Jag var skaffad det är för det. Okej, idag väl okej.
Really? Okay. Blue, please observe your partner's interesting choice.
I had no idea what the hell I did.
Your ping
Okej, längst.
Kanske. Nu kör du.
Jag väck.
Oj, jag passar. Jag kan inte trösta tab.
Nej, jag tror inte.
calibrating blue's weight.
Jag tror det. Come on.
Okej. Så skräck.
Calibrating orange's weight. No variances detected.
Yeah.
Yay. Jag tar en stol och kommer park på en annan. Det är stor på det. Okej.
Your ping tool is invaluable for communicating specific locations to your partner.
Tack.
What's going in?
Ska du ju?
No!
Weighted cubes calibrated. No variances detected.
Oh,
Did you know humans frown on weight variances?
Yeah.
If you want to upset a human, just say their weight variance is above or below the norm.
Okay, two fighter.
Two fighter. Du kläder menar. Du kläder.
Oh,
we can do.
Oh yeah, passar.
Jajamän.
There you go. Get that! Don't worry, I got this.
Yay!
And
Jag är alltid väg som gör det. Stant du har knäckt något. Och så gör jag. Så först du. Oh ja. Så akkurat och snyggt. Nu först.
Testing again. Woo! You are the first robots to pass calibration.
oh, two hit. High five, dude.
Completing this course was not a reason to behave like that. Now let's continue testing.
Men jag var den där spyhandet.
Just det.
Yay! 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 Vad är det? Ja, nummer 1. Yay!
Du kanske kommer ut på en också.
Real smooth!
Always the result of collaboration. Keep in mind that Albert Einstein and his cousin Terry,
Okay.
history will only remember one of you.
Oh yeah! Got you.
Your best friend.
Yeah!
Hey, Joe!
Hello.
Sneak hug!
Oh shit! Let's get it on.
Get it on. Ja, heter min sted. Jaders sted.
Woo!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh. Jeg kan opp her og inn. Er jeg klar? Ok. Yeah! Oi, jeg låt den akkurat. Ok, jeg dribbler.
Flack it! No! Oh, no.
I don't tag. What the hell?
No. Au! Ich push behind you, man.
Ja, då swiper jag bara. Jag kör det. Yay!
Kjellsputter.
Wow! Skal jeg så hoppe på, ja? Jeg vet ikke om jeg klarer han.
Raven ikke det.
Ja, Fritz Raven.
I don't know what you think you are doing, but I don't like it.
Yeah!
I want you to stop. The two of you have forged an excellent partnership,
Rematch!
with one of you handling the cerebral challenges, and the other ready to ponderously walk into action should the test suddenly become an eating contest.
You get the eater done. La 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 la.
Åh, du får så smäck.
Nej, jag kör lugnt.
I'm ready to take my sacrifice.
Samtidigt går trä, ja.
Oh shit!
Blue just taught Orange a valuable lesson in trust.
Angry!
To reiterate, this is not a competition. Still,
Okay.
if it were, Orange would be winning.
Yeah! In your face, bitch!
You will know it when you find it.
Okay.
Då har jag bara en väver.
Hey!
Det måste köra upp det alltid. Wow, insert disk! Messenger, do not trust her. Security through obscurity is our only hope. Spørsmålstegn.
Ja.
Te och
Nick mining edition.
Congratulations. You managed to complete this absolutely meaningless test. Oh, I almost
Bye-bye.
forgot. When you go outside the testing courses, the only way I can retrieve you is to violently disassemble you.
Wait, what?
Then carefully reassemble you.
Wait, what?
Luckily, you don't feel pain. At any rate,
Come
you
on.
don't have a way to communicate
Come on,
that you
Vietnam.
feel pain. I think you got a failing, by the way.